why living with your parents in your 30s can be a good idea. In Kenya, living with your parents past the mid-20s is considered a sign of failure, and that is whether you are jobless or you are employed. By the age of 30, you are expected to be settled, earning well, living on your own, and maybe even married with kids. But today, more young adults, even those who are working, are choosing to stay home longer. And surprisingly, this can be a very smart financial move. Here are 5 reasons why living with your parents can be a good idea. First, it offers accelerated financial growth. If you work near your parents' home, you can save a lot on rent and also maybe on transport. Let's say if you save around 20,000 to 50,000 on rent and transport per month, it can add up to between 240,000 shillings and 600,000 shillings in a year. If you choose to invest the money, let's say you decide to stake 25,000 shillings a month in a money market fund with 10% interest a year, you will have over 300,000 shillings in the first year, and in 5 years, your investment will have increased to around 2 million shillings. Alternatively, if you benefited from help, you can use the money you are saving to settle that debt so that you can clear it earlier on in your life. 2, it gives you room to build assets. Living at home frees up money that you can use for real investments. Instead of paying rent, you can start saving for a plot, a car, or to start your own business. This could be a small shop, a border business, or a farming project. 3, it gives you a stronger family support system. Many parents struggle with loneliness when their children move out. Staying together rebuilds those bonds and gives you emotional and practical support. If you lose a job or face tough times, your family is always there to comfort you. And also, as your parents age, you can care for them directly, saving on caretaker costs while staying close to them. 4, it gives you the freedom to take calculated risks. Rent and bills can trap you in jobs that you really don't like. Living at home gives you breathing room to take calculated risks, like starting a business, switching careers, or upskilling. You could, for example, use the rent savings to take a digital course or a design course. Lastly, it also gives you a chance to reset. Life uncertainties are likely to happen. These are things like job loss, business failure, or health issues. Living at home can be your safety net, giving you space to recover and rebuild without sinking financially. It is also a great time to reset your budget, improve your money habits, and plan for a long-term independence. But of course, living with your parents is not always rosy. A 2023 study found that adults living with their parents reported poorer mental health than those living independently. Also, you might face limited privacy, social judgment, or risk getting too comfortable. But with clear boundaries and a plan, you can make living with your parents work for you. Before deciding to move back in, have an honest conversation with your parents. Talk about your expectations and living arrangements. Contribute financially, respect their space, and most importantly, use the time and savings wisely. For this and more money tips, we have partnered with Lua. Lua is a free AI assistant on WhatsApp that can help you generate images, schedule meetings, plan your meals, and also give you access to a loan from Numida. For you to apply for a business loan from Numida, visit money254.co.ke or click the link in our bio.